in case you missed it, in their ongoing commitment to following the science, which science, though, still remains in question, Health Canada has approved Pfizer's COVID-19 booster vaccine for children 5 to 11 years old, following approval 2 months ago of the same shot for individuals 12 years and older. After a thorough and independent scientific review of the evidence, Health Canada has determined that the Pfizer-BioNTech Comirnaty Omicron BA4 BA5 bivalent adapted booster vaccine for children 5 to 11 years of age is safe and effective, and that its benefits outweigh any potential risks, the department said in a news release on December 9th. Which evidence? Well, they didn't say, but no need to worry your pretty little heads. Just trust Health Canada and Pfizer. Bivalent means that the vaccine causes the immune system to create antibodies against the two different strains of COVID-19, the original and the Omicron strain. And as we know, there's been a few mutations since. The announcement comes several months after Health Canada approved the use of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for children between the ages of 6 months and 5 years. The federal agency approved Moderna's vaccine for children of the same age group in July. Why wouldn't they? Vaccinating your child does more than protect them. It helps keep communities safe, said Health Minister Jean-Yves on July 14th, the day Moderna's vaccine was approved for Canada's youngest children. Yes, Minister, some vaccines do that, but making that claim as if all vaccines were equal is a bit of misinformation now, isn't it, Minister? But I'm sure Jean-Yves would have a different take, which he obviously did because his next comments speak to that. I encourage all parents to get their kids vaccinated, Duclos wrote in Twitter post. Thankfully, sir, they're not all listening to you. Federal government statistics on vaccination as of October 9th show that less than 7% of children under 5 years old received a COVID-19 vaccine. As of December 4th, just over 50% of Canadians aged 5 and older had received a first booster dose and 23% had received a second booster shot. My question, given their risk profile, to the parents of these children would be, why? Duclos addressed pediatric vaccination in late November, saying that COVID vaccines and boosters for children remain important. Vaccination is something that has made a huge difference in COVID-19, and we know it is particularly valuable right now as our children are suffering from all sorts of respiratory viruses, the federal health minister said in Ottawa on November 23rd. By huge difference in COVID-19, sir, what exactly does that mean? Given we know it doesn't stop transmission or acquisition according to the manufacturer. Now is the time to get vaccinated and to be protected, he said, adding Christmas is coming too, so you want to be safer in our family environment. Yes, Jean-Yves, you're right. The protection offered is just as real as, well, Santa Claus. Anyway, when I share stories like this, I always get feedback from people and say, don't these people follow the science? Can't they see what's coming out? Are they not paying attention to all the latest releases from different countries? And the answer is no. This was never about science, folks. This was always about control. That's what this whole thing has been about since the beginning. If we were truly committed to following science, we would have done so many things differently. We would have had health officials who had an open mind. They would have encouraged people to do prevention measures. They would have encouraged people to take care of their weight, exercise. They would have encouraged them to take vitamins and supplements. All kinds of different measures would have been taken. But remember, as I said in a couple of videos ago, 2 days ago, majority of the people want to be governed, and they want to be governed hard. And they want somebody to promise them safety, comfort, and all of those other things. And when government, the biggest liars of all, say, yeah, we're going to do all these things, people say, hey, sign me up, I'm in. So that's exactly why we're living through the point we are. Again, all about control. And when you have a willing public willing to relinquish and submit, hey, what do you expect the politician to do but continue to rule and reign? Anyway, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Please post any comments you have in the comment section. You can also follow me on my Rumble, on my Locals account. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed, do so. And if you haven't checked out some of the other posts from the last few days, that series of silent weapons for quiet wars, please check them out. They're pretty interesting. See you next time.